Okay, so we want to take the dual cartridge in here. We're going to undo the cap on it. Save the nut. I'm going to put the mixing tip on after we level it out. If you notice, in the end of the dual cartridge, there's an air pocket in the end of it. So we want to put it in the gun, and we want to level off the tubes. Okay. Now that that's leveled off, you put the mixing tip on it, and then we'll put the nut on. Next step is we want to mix the material and get at least an inch of bead out of here. This is now ready to go. So we're going to go ahead and apply right here. We're going to put a bead down the middle, and we'll do a little zigzag on here. Next person. Make sure you push it from the backside. And we'll just take it like this. So if we need to put more fill toward the middle, we can. Nice smooth dither at the end is what we want. And we do our final. That's it. Okay.